the sky tonight. You're not here, not here, but it feels so right. Your ghost is carved in every wall. I fall apart, I feel it all. Like radio voices static in my head. You haunt the silence on my skin. You're everywhere I've ever been. Across the miles, you're still my fire, burning wild through the static and the wire. Every second pulls me tighter. I'm not lost, just a little higher. I'm not standing by my side. I've got your shadow in my fight. We're torn by time, but we survive. This love won't fade, it comes alive. I trace your name into the storm. Each letter makes my blood feel warm. You crash into my midnight thoughts. A war I want, a war I fought. No distance can outrun our flame. No silence ever sounds the same. You're lightning when I'm in the dark, still sparking in my fractured heart. Across the miles, you're still my fire, burning wild through the static and the wire. Every second pulls me tighter. I'm not lost. Every second pulls me tighter. I'm not lost, just a little higher. Though you're not standing by my side, I've got your shadow in my fight. We're torn by time, but we survive. This love won't fade, it comes alive. So scream it loud across the void. This broken world won't be destroyed. As long as I still bleed your name, I'll never see the end the same. Across the miles I still ignite. In every dream, in every fight, you're not a memory, you're light. We're bound by fire